The Huawei Matebook E Go 2022 is a detachable 2-in-1 tablet notebook laptop. It will come with a color-matching folio keyboard cover featuring a trackpad, along with a stylus that magnetically attaches to the side of the laptop. So in fact, I have always wanted to purchase a multifunctional notebook. If I can combine the two functional attributes of a notebook and a tablet, wouldn't it directly reduce the weight of my backpack when I travel on a business trip? This product features undoubtedly hit the pain point of my needs, so I also tried to get this new product at the first time. Huawei Matebook E Go has two versions, standard version and performance version. What's your experience like? Can it meet the needs of consumers X who have multi-scenario portable office needs like me? Next, I will share my actual experience to unlock everyone's curiosity. If you say from phone to tablet to laptop, it is an experience upgrade from small screen to large screen. Then the 2-in-1 notebook is a consideration fusion of the core features of the tablet computer and the notebook computer. The new Huawei Matebook E Go has two main colors, Nebula Gray and Snow White, and is matched with 4 different color keyboards: Nebula Gray, Snow White, Interstellar Blue, and Sakura Pink. The rear panel of Huawei Matebook E Go adopts a new 3-coating and 3-baking process, which will give you comfortable feedback similar to the fluffy texture on the touch. In addition, because of the addition of fluorine-containing anti-fingerprint additives, the surface anti-fouling ability of the microfleece glass fiber back cover will also be stronger. Compared with the common metal back shell, Huawei Matebook E Go makes the whole machine a little more elegant. Huawei Matebook E Go adopts a curved middle frame appearance, and the contour lines of the X fit the palm of the hand, making it easier to hold when used as a tablet. The X-type power button on the laptop is placed on the middle frame, which supports fingerprint unlocking, while retaining the 3.5mm headphone jack. It also adopts the appearance of left and right dual speakers. The most unique thing is that Huawei Matebook E Go has a USB-C interface on each of the left and right middle frames. Even if it is charging, the other end interface can be used to transfer data files. The main unit of Huawei Matebook E Go weighs 710 grams without keyboard and stylus, and is as thin as 7.68mm without keyboard. As a 2-in-1 notebook, it combines the thinness and lightness of a tablet with the functions of a laptop. Among the 2-in-1 notebook products of the same type on the market, it is also one of the lightest and thinnest products. A good display is especially important for laptops or tablets. A good display effect will bring a better and more comprehensive user experience, whether it is audio and video entertainment or daily office work. Huawei Matebook E Go is equipped with a 12.35-inch equidistant micro-frame screen, with 2.5K high-definition resolution. The screen brightness supports up to 400 nits, and the screen content can be clearly displayed even indoors or outdoors with strong light. Huawei Matebook E Go adopts hardware low blue light technology, and has passed the Rheinland hardware level low blue light certification, supporting natural color display technology. In addition, the screen of Huawei Matebook E Go Performance version supports up to 120Hz high refresh rate. A high refresh rate can bring a better experience regardless of office work, web browsing, or watching videos. To put it simply, some phones that have been upgraded with Harmony OS 3 can achieve a better mobile application experience on the Huawei Matebook E Go desktop. In the past, when traveling by high-speed rail, if you want to use the laptop, you have to use your phone to turn on the wireless hotspot for the computer to use. Manually setting and managing network connections is not only complicated, but also the network power consumption is high when the hotspot is turned on, and the phone not only heats up badly but also wastes power. The new Huawei Stylus comes in Snow White, which is more elegant, restrained, and younger in appearance. The stylus body is coated with silicone polymer resin, which is delicate to touch and more resistant to dirt, stains and wear. In terms of writing effect, the new Huawei M Stylus Snow White has a 4096 level active pressure sensitivity, which can accurately sense changes in force, change the thickness of lines at will, and support side writing. Writing low latency can be as low as 2 milliseconds. Huawei Matebook E Go also brings a new split-type smart magnetic keyboard, which protects the screen and back cover of the host, and realizes the angle adjustment support between 120 to 160 degrees through the hinge. The smart magnetic keyboard adopts a full-size appearance with a 1.3mm long keystroke. The 56 by 113mm touchpad not only restores the operation of the notebook keyboard touchpad, but also has a built-in NFC sensing area, covering 100% of the area. In terms of battery life, Huawei Matebook E Go has a battery capacity of 45.8 watt-hours and supports 65-watt fast charging. It only takes 30 minutes to charge from 0% to 50% in the shutdown state. When fully charged, it can play 1080p local video for about 14 hours. If it is used for office work, it can also meet the battery life of about 7 hours. Finally, Huawei Matebook E Go adopts an innovative antenna appearance when the signal is not good in mobile offices such as airport lounges, high-speed rail stations, and coffee shops. Coupled with the 160 MHz bandwidth of Wi-Fi 6, the physical peak rate can reach 2.4 GB per second. To sum up, Huawei Matebook E Go has achieved a 2-in-1 notebook in both thin and light shape and multi-form appearance. Whether it is a notebook usage scenario or a tablet PC usage scenario, One Huawei MateBook E Go can easily handle it. In particular, MateBook E Go also pulls the price of the flagship 2-in-1 notebook experience to the mainstream price range of $575 to $860. The product price ratio is outstanding. The flagship quality entry price is the best interpretation of Huawei MateBook E Go. Thank you for watching my review of the new device from Huawei. If you have any questions, then I expect them in the comments. Have a nice day, and see you soon.